Kaitlyn graduates, Sean departs, and we stage two multi-million-dollar properties, all in episode 219 of Foxy TV. Jake and Phoebe, the owners of Foxy Home Staging, for those of you who are new to the channel, they spent the week down in Sydney at a business coaching course. So next week, I'll be catching up with them on the podcast to hear their takeaways and how it all went. So keep an eye out for that one. Yesterday was a sad day. It was Sean's last day at Foxy. He spent over a year creating content for us, leveling up our content. If you've watched any of our videos previously on any of our social media channels, you definitely would have seen his work at play. From the entire team at Foxy, we want to say a big thank you to Sean and wish him all the best. He's going back to Canada. Sean is a content creator. He has his own channel. So if you want to keep up with Sean's work, it is Sean X Walker on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. I'll link to those channels in the description below. Now, while it is sad Sean is off, we have some new people to welcome to the marketing team. Mitch, who you briefly saw in that video, and we also have James starting next week. So we'll introduce them more and you'll see their work come up over our social media channels. Let's now jump into today's main section, and that is Kaitlyn's graduation job. Now, we've previously covered what it means to graduate and our whole training module on a previous video. I'll link to that in the description below. And we've also sort of recently covered a graduation job. That was Em's graduation and what it means for, and what it took for her to graduate and how it all worked in the video, so I'll link to that also. Well, now it is Kaitlyn's turn. Now I'll let the video do the talking of how amazing this property is, but stick around because after this video we have another incredible property to show you.
The job was in Clearwater down the Gold Coast. It was a 3-level mansion. It had 6 bedrooms, 4 living areas. It had its own cinema. It was a really nice house. So Phoebe comes on site and assesses how we can kind of manage the team. We have a lot more people on site, so it's more about managing the people on site than actually doing the job, like making the beds and hanging the art, things like that. It was so beautiful. Like that first walking into the house at the start was so nice.
So a big congratulations to Kaitlyn, who was successful at graduating and becoming a graduated Foxy stylist. To finish this episode, we've saved yet another incredible property. Ebony was lead stylist. There were a couple issues with access and moving stuff around to the property, but I'll let her get into it. Yeah, let's go and have a look.
Hello, Ebony.
Hi, Sean.
How did your install go today?
It was a pretty rough start, to be honest. We couldn't use the driveway. They had mulch all laid down there. So we had a lot of stairs to climb to get into this place. And then when we got in, there was lots of the clients' furniture and items left around that we had to move. We've helped them out and put them into the garage for him.
Nice.
Yeah.
How do you think the end result came out okay?
Yeah, it's come out really, really nicely.
That is it for episode 219 of Foxy TV. I hope you enjoyed watching. Now tomorrow, the entire team, tomorrow being Friday, are heading to Yacht Club on Brisbane River. We're jumping on a boat and having a bit of team bonding and also farewelling Sean. So I hope whatever you're doing, wherever you are in the world, you enjoy your Friday and your weekend, and we'll catch you back here next week.